In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste clips in CapCut. Whether you're new to video editing or a seasoned creator, mastering this simple yet essential skill can save you time and streamline your editing process. CapCut is a versatile video editing platform that offers both simplicity and robust features, making it a great choice for all kinds of projects. If you haven't already created a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive right into the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open CapCut on your computer or mobile device. This is the starting point for accessing your editing workspace. Depending on your device, it might take a moment for the app to load, so don't worry if you experience a slight delay. Once CapCut is open, click on Create New to start a fresh project. This ensures you have a blank workspace, free from any distractions or leftover edits from previous projects. After that, when prompted, select Blank Canvas. This will give you a completely clean slate to work from without any preloaded media getting in the way. Now that your blank project is ready, let's move on to selecting a template. Inside CapCut, click on the Template option. Templates are a fantastic way to explore pre-made layouts, which can be incredibly helpful for testing or getting inspired. Browse through the available options and choose any template you like. Load it into your timeline to begin working with it. Remember, you're not locked into this template, it's just a starting point, and you can always make changes later. Next, let's get to the main focus of this tutorial, copying and pasting clips. Start by locating the clip you want to copy on your timeline. Once you've found it, click on the clip to select it. You'll know it's selected when it highlights or shows a border around it, indicating that it's ready for editing. To copy the clip, right-click on it and choose Copy from the menu. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl+C on a Windows computer, or Command+C if you're using a Mac. After copying the clip, move the playhead to the position in your timeline where you want the duplicate clip to appear. The playhead is the vertical line that indicates your current position in the timeline, so make sure it's exactly where you want the new clip to be placed. To paste the copied clip, simply press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. This action will duplicate the clip and place it directly at the playhead's position. Now, depending on the size of your project or the speed of your device, CapCut might take a moment to update. If you don't see the duplicated clip appear right away, just give it a few seconds. Once the clip has been pasted, it's time to verify that everything worked as expected. Check your timeline to ensure the duplicated clip appears exactly where you wanted it. This step is important because it confirms that the copy and paste action was successful. If everything looks good, you can now move or edit the duplicated clip as needed. Adjust its position, trim it, or make any other changes to fit your project. On the other hand, if you accidentally copied the wrong clip, don't worry. You can use the undo option or simply delete the duplicate and repeat the process with the correct clip. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you now know exactly how to copy and paste clips in CapCut. This skill is fundamental for quick edits and precise adjustments, and it's a great way to speed up your workflow. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.